Thursday night's cable ratings were, as per usual, dominated by the NBA. Turner Network Television's broadcast of the Philadelphia 76ers defeating the Golden State Warriors was the top game of the night, seizing the first slot with a 0.9 rating in adults 18 to 49. This was 0.2 of a point higher than the top game from last week, where the Minnesota Timberwolves played the LA Lakers. Just beneath it, Dr. Pimple Popper was the sole non-sports entry to infiltrate the top 5, scoring a strong 0.8. This was up from the 0.6 it rated last week. In third place, the Toronto Raptors faced down the Milwaukee Bucks for a 0.5, ticking down 0.1 compared to the Wizards vs. Warriors game, which occupied last week's third slot. Elsewhere, Floribama Shore on MTV managed to reclaim its normal 0.4, up from 0.3, while A Top Chef on Bravo also stayed put at 0.3. Top 25 original cable shows among adults 18 to 49 for Thursday, January 31, 2019 show net time total viewers 18 to 49 rating NBA basketball 76ers Warriors TNT 10:31 p.m. 2299 0.9 drive Pimple Popper TLC 9 p.m. 3096 0.8 NBA basketball Bucks Raptors TNT 8 p.m. 1471 0.5 ESPN original documentary ESPN 9 p.m. 1152 0.5 Inside the NBA TNT 12:50 a.m. 1048 0.4 60 Days in a 1028 0.3 Swamp People History 9 p.m. 1624 0.3 Rachel Maddow Show MSNBC 9 p.m. 3229 0.3 Truck Night in America History 10:03 p.m. 910 0.3 Pardon the Interruption ESPN 5:30 p.m. 785 0.3 Deadly Secrets Investigation 9 p.m. 1212 0.3 Cuomo Primetime CNN 9 p.m. 1410 0.3 Sports Center Prime ESPN 10 p.m. 527 0.3 Anderson Cooper 360 CNN 8 p.m. 1237 0.3 Dead of Winter Investigation 10 p.m. 1278 0.3 Marriage Boot Camp WETV 10 p.m. 555 0.3 Last Word with L. O'Donnell MSNBC 10 p.m. 2635 0.2 CNN Tonight CNN 10 p.m. 1259 0.2 House Hunters International Home 10:30 p.m. 1452 0.2 Source, The Nielsen Company, blog comments powered by